Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. As I told you in my previous video that I will upload my next video on how to write small letters from A to Z by using basic strokes. So here I am, so let's start. Now look at the first stroke, small stroke with curve. As you can see here how easily it forms. Practice this stroke many times to write the letters in cursive writing. Take out your 4 lines copy and pen and then practice with me. Try to write these letters by using the stroke. When the practice of small stroke with curve has been done, then it will become easy to write these 6 letters. If it looks easy and nice, then hit the subscribe button and like my video. Here are the 6 letters. The next stroke is small stroke without curve. It's slant. First make stroke, then write letter E. Similarly, first keep making strokes and write letters easily. As you can see, I hope you are practicing with me. Keep practicing and make your writing impressive. So here we can write 7 letters as you can see, and the next stroke is small stroke with hook. Now we will write the letters by using this stroke. First make stroke and write the letter M and keep making strokes and write the letters as you can see. These 7 letters can form with one stroke, small stroke with hook. Now the next one stroke is long stroke with back hook. In this way we can make this stroke and we will write 5 letters by using this stroke. And our first letter is the letter B. First make stroke and then write the letter. Mistakenly, the letter K is not recorded here, so I write the letter K again. So in this way, we will write the letter K, H. Here are the 5 letters. The letter Z has no stroke, so we will write the letter Z like this. It's simple. So here are our small letters in cursive writing by using basic strokes. In the next video, I will teach you how to write capital letters in cursive writing, inshallah. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel, like my video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.